So hello YouTube, I hope all are doing fine and all are well, I guess. Okay, let's start this video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about how do you use which command. So which is basically saying that it is used to locate what executable files locations. Let's say that you need to say which ls is nothing but a command. If you do ls, then it will say from which particular place that ls is running. That will be user bin and ls. From this place this ls is executing. If I do ls from this place, the code is being taking and it is executing. That is how which command is used. Let's say that if you use let's say that if you use -e and ls command, so it will display all only the first matching path. So like there is many matching paths, that if it will display the all the paths, like mm, it's if there is a ls what files wherein all the ls files are located, so it will also display every files, like user bin ls, user bin ls, and bin ls. So basically what is the difference between this user bin is that in the user bin ls it's a user bin. Okay, it's nothing but like parrot user. Let's say that you need to go inside home directory. Okay, let's do ls. So see, there is two user, okay, light and a parrot. Okay, see, if you execute any commands inside this to users, then those commands will be inside this users bin. Okay, if you execute anything inside a root, if you're executing anything inside a root, then those commands will be in what bin ls, like bin, in the bin /bin. Okay, not only this, if you are doing any process inside the process, like if the process need any commands, then that commands also will be used from /bin, not the user bin. Okay, uh, the next which I am showing is that using okay, so you can also use which with what -s, then you can specify ls, then it will show illegal option. Okay, as I showed you before how to use LA, it will display all, but S is also there, but it does not support, I guess. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so let's what we do is that let me write a script. Okay, let me create a file.sh. Let me see. Okay, if which is that will be command, some command, that will be ls command, then what you do echo, then see this command is exist. Okay, or else what you do, you say this command does not exist, command does not exist. Don't worry about the what programming. I'll do another video for programming and all. Permission denied. Okay, let's come back. Okay, let's do using sudo. Okay, if which -s, that ls command, then what you do, echo command exist, exist, or else you say command does not exist. Okay, then what you do if, then you save it. Okay, what you do now, use bash file.sh, So if that particular command find, instead of s I'll do a, because s it is not specifying the s. I need to come back. I need to use sudo. It will say permission denied. Okay, let's use a instead. Okay, let's do now bash file dot a. Yeah, command exist. Let's say that I'll specify. Okay, instead of let's go inside. Instead of using ls, I will use other command like gh command that does not exist. Okay, let's do x modify. I need to use sudo. Every time I'll forget. Okay, sudo, then I'll use any other command that will be gh and save x save. Okay, bash and file name. See, the command does not exist. So using this bash and all, you can work on it. How do you use which command? Okay, so if you don't know any which command how to use, you can do help. That will help you. Like there is only one argument, that is -e, or else you can go for man page and check what is the use of which command. Okay, you can also see the version, I guess. Version, there is no version, I guess. Yeah, you can also see the version in which command as well. Yeah, there's no version. Okay, it's okay. So that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching, and bye.